I've always been interested in healthcare, and I just thought it would be a really good opportunity to attend this camp and get to explore different job careers.
Recently I decided that I wanted to be a nurse anesthetist, and I saw that in the program they had some different opportunities for researching nurse anesthetists, so I decided to do that.
It's really student healthcare exploration, so students in high school that are going into their junior year that have a strong interest in healthcare, we're trying to help them to pave the way.
Oh, career camp was really awesome. You get like hands-on experience. You get to talk to physicians, physician assistants, all types of different nurses, and it's a really big eye-opener because you don't really realize what's going on in a hospital until you actually kind of look behind the scenes.
It helped me say what I want to do, and I have an idea now.
In this camp, you're thinking as yourself as a surgeon, or yourself as a nurse, as yourself from a student to an actual employee in the hospital.
These kids have had tremendous opportunities that most students don't get, sometimes even nursing students that are in their clinical rotation.
I got to see things that normal people don't get to do on a daily basis.
I like the GI lab. It was interesting. I mean, going with the scopes and stuff.
They took us to the respiratory therapy care, the vascular lab.
They're looking inside your body with the cameras, and these cameras cost so much money, and we get to see them. There's so many different ways they can use it, up the nose and the mouth.
We viewed everything. We saw the Da Vinci and we got to play with it.
We went into the cath lab. That was amazing. Got to see them inject dye into the arteries and the veins of the heart.
The experience in the operating room was really, it's so up close and personal, and it's just so awesome, and you're seeing someone's insides, and you don't get to do that ever, so it's awesome. The simulation center was really cool. It was really lifelike, and you got to do laparoscopy and practice on a computer, and there's a sim man that you talk to him and he'll answer back and intubate, and
that actually had real reactions that a normal person would have to different things.
It's usually interesting because at the beginning of the week kids come in and they think, hands down, they want to go into laboratory medicine, and by the end of the week maybe it's radiology or nursing. So it's really helping them to make a determination long term what they're looking at.
You have to be open-minded about everything you see, and realize that you're here not just for the experience, but to kind of get a feel for what you want to do later in life.
We do run the camp. It's Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. for a full week, usually in the month of July. Major commitment from the students. They do sign some paperwork up front saying that they are willing to make that full week commitment.
Well, after spending time here, I've definitely been interested in the trauma center, and becoming an RN.
I've always wanted to be a surgeon, and now it's kind of more narrow that I want to be in traumatic care.
At application process, we do look at kids that have a good GPA. The students also have to write a summary for us explaining why they have a sincere interest in healthcare, so that when we are choosing from the applications, we're really getting some good kids that we think we're going to even possibly have them as employees back long term. So it's also part of our workforce development plan.
Well, I wanted to become a cardiothoracic surgeon, and attending this camp really enforced this idea that I can actually strive to do this goal.
I still want to be a nurse anesthetist, but the nursing that you have to do beforehand, I decided that I want to do something in trauma because it's more hands-on, and it's go, 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 go.
If you're interested in summer career camp, get on the horn, call your guidance counselor, ask them. There again, we as both human resources and volunteer services do take the program out into the school districts, make the guidance counselors aware of the program. We take out posters, brochures. There again, get those applications in early, simply because we do only take X amount of students every year. And certainly if you have any questions in regards to volunteering as a teen, you can get online to wellspan.org, fill out a teen volunteer application, and get involved with hospital programs that way as well.
I encourage a lot of students to apply to this. It opens many doors, and it's really good on their resume, and they have a lot of fun attending this camp.
if you have any interest at all in healthcare, just do this. It's amazing, and you explore so many various careers. It's really beneficial.